Hey everyone, welcome back on day 5 of learning AI with me. Today is 5th day of AI Bootcamp, and today's topic is what is Claude, what is anti-gravity, installation of Claude Code and anti-gravity, and at the end I'll be covering which AI tool you can use for which particular purpose. Now, stay with me, this is going to be a slight bit longer than expected, but yeah, after this video you'll have a Claude account set up, you'll have a anti-gravity account installed in your laptop, and then from next day onwards you can build your workflows and automations using that. All right then, I hope I'm loud and clear. Chalo, let's get started. So let me quickly open the screen share. I hope the screen share is visible. So yeah, you have to first search for anti-gravity. This is how it is going to look like. This is Google Anti-Gravity. Google Anti-Gravity is an IDE developed by Google. I think last year they have launched it. It is agent first IDE. Okay. So let me quickly install it, download it and install it. So let's wait for this. So here you'll get the download icon. Click on this. Now after clicking on this, because I have using right now a Mac, so I'll be using Apple Silicon. If let's say you are on older MacBook, you can use for Apple Intel. If you're on Windows, you can go for Windows x64. If Linux, then yeah, Linux is here. Okay, so I'll be doing it for Apple Silicon. My download is started. All right, so meanwhile I would like to tell you guys what is anti-gravity and what is Claude, and why we are using Anthropic and Claude and everything. So anti-gravity is an agent first IDE. This is like, it comes with a lot of plug and play tools, plugins. So you can simply plug in those, install those plugins and use it in their workflow. So better to understand for people who are coming from, non-tech background and all. So it is good for them. Other IDEs are Visual Studio Code as well. So yeah, for this particular demonstration, we'll be using anti-gravity. Second thing is what is Claude and all these things. So Claude is a model developed by the company called as Anthropic. Anthropic has three models: Claude Chat, Claude Code, and Claude Cowork. Now, Claude Chat is like a chat-based window where you open a website, you chat with the Claude Chat, and simply go and paste it the response to the whatever places you're going to place. So let's just say if I have to rewrite an email or landing page copy or something, I go to the chat window, I give the instructions, I copy the instructions, put it in the Google Doc, and then send to my editor. This is Claude Chat. Okay, too much of manual works and all. Claude Cowork is for the people who are not coming from a technical background, so there is easier workflows and easier automations. Claude Code is for the people who want autonomous agents, and instead of me sending a this landing page details, so let's say if I've written this email copies or something, instead of me doing one-on-one manual things, I'll be running an automation, and that automation will automatically be delivered to my team members, or let's say directly end-to-end clients. Meanwhile, if I have to simplify this, I can say think of it as a virtual agent, a 24/7 intern working for you. So yeah, that's it. I hope by now anti-gravity is downloaded. So let's quickly come back to install it. So yeah, it is downloaded. I'll click on this. Now I'm on Mac. So okay, show it in Finder. Just a second. Okay, here it is. So now you can see here, I can simply install it and done. Drag and drop for Mac. For Windows, you may get couple of options where you have to set, recommended options and all, check mark and check marks. So go with the recommended option. Don't click on anything advanced, anything customization. Go with the recommended setup. Okay. Let's wait for anti-gravity to get installed in the system. Meanwhile, anti-gravity is getting installed. I can do one more thing. I think it's already done. Let's wait for it then. I was thinking of setting a Claude account first, but chalo, let's wait for 5 more minutes. Okay, it's done. Yes, done. Yeah, now I think the installation is done of anti-gravity. So let's quickly install it. Let me quickly open the Finder. Yeah, in In the applications, here is the anti-gravity. So I'm going with the setup. Yeah, open. It's going to ask me a couple of questions. Next. Start fresh. I'm already having VS Code, that's why it is giving me this option. Usually you will simply get this current window. You'll not have the option of VS Code and all. I'm going with dark and modern. Now here I'm only going with recommended option. I don't want to go more. Recommended, next. Now here sign in with Google. Now for this demonstration and all, I want to give you a disclaimer. I don't want you to use your official Gmail account, because couple of times you are doing a lot of activities here and there and you never know which automation or which trigger violated any Google policy, or something went wrong and someone got an access to your system. So my recommendation that set up a separate Gmail account for all these works. So I'm also going to do my separate setup. I'll click on sign in with Google, and then I'll first sign with my separate email account. So now I am completing this. Now they asked me to put the emails and all. So right now I completed my check post and all, I mean this sign in check post and all. So now once I'm signed in, it is asking me to allow. I'll be allowing it. Then next. Now I hope every one of you have arrived for this particular location. I think all of you are able to see this, okay, in your system. If let's say there is any error or something, drop your error in the comments. If you're already a part of WhatsApp community, you can reply to me in WhatsApp itself, okay. Now this is the agent window. You guys can see here Gemini and Sonnet and all these options over there, but I'm not going to use this. I'm going to simply cut it. I'll come here in extensions. I'll search for Claude Code. Just a second. Let's wait for a second. Yeah, we received this. So you have to search for Claude Code for VS Code by Anthropic. Okay. Now it is developed mainly for VS Code, but we can also use it in anti-gravity as well. Trust and install. Okay. Let it get installed. So the first step is done. We have downloaded anti-gravity tool. We have set up our anti-gravity tool. We simply go with the recommended option. That's it. And after downloading anti-gravity, we come here in the extensions option, and then downloaded this Claude Code for VS Code extension. Okay. Make sure the extension publisher is Anthropic. Anthropic is the parent company of Claude. Now, yeah, it is done. We'll come here, Claude Code. We will also at the same time create our workspace. Let's, okay. This is Git. I'll be also covering what is Git and all. Don't worry about this. Right now I'm just clicking all the options and checking everything is done. I think everything is set it up properly. There's no need of anything extra. Now here you guys can see it is asking for a Claude AI subscription. So if I have to click on this, it will ask me to go to Claude website. Now this is my Claude AI. I am not completely connected right now. First I would like to show how to set up your own Claude AI account. So let me, now as we have done our anti-gravity setup, we have completed Claude Code extension installation. Now we have to create our Claude account. Now for all these automation and all these things to work, we need a $20 of Claude Code account. Now this is a mandatory purchase. You cannot skip from this. So let's move ahead and set up our Claude account. Now what is Claude? I already covered. It's a tool developed by Anthropic, and right now the reason it is now in too much of talks is it is the highest, best performing tool, highest intelligence comparing to all the other AI tools available in the market right now. So that's why we are going to use Claude right now. Okay. Now let me quickly open Claude's website. Just a second. Okay. So I hope the screen share is visible. So now this is Claude website. You can simply search for Claude and you'll be here at this website. You have to click on sign in. If you have not purchased account or if you have not set it up your account, this is the process. Claude.ai. Here they will ask you for emails. Now, as I mentioned, for anti-gravity, I've created a separate email. So I'm going to use the same separate email here as well. Okay. So I'll simply go with continue with Google. My email ID is already connected with my Google account. So yeah, that's it. Just give me a second. I need to switch it back for privacy. Just give me a second. I need to put my password and all. Yeah, done now. Now you guys can see here. It's loading. Just a second. Yeah, I'll just sign in. Now once I'm signed in, you can see here it will ask me to let's create your account, a few things for you to review. So I'm going to click I agree and subscribe, create account. Now it will ask me a verification phone number. I'll be giving this number. India. That was my UK number, so, and I don't know where my phone is right now, so let's use my Indian number. Yeah, done. So I'm going to use it for my personal use. Now it will give you options here in the start, use for free or go get for pro plan. To click on monthly, get pro plan. Now here I have to fill my business details, my name, number and card and everything. I'll be hiding it for a minute and then I'll subscribe it. Okay, just give me a second. For this demonstration purposes, I'm just going to use a basic monthly plan for just 1 month, and then later I'm going to cancel it because I already have a different account. So just for the purpose of demonstration, I'm using one account. Just give me a second. Let me quickly put my card details and everything. Okay. In the bottom, you'll be having an option to add your GST ID if you already have a business or tax ID. You can put your GST ID and can reduce the taxes over the subscription cost. Card number, CVV. Okay, let's wait for a second. I'm getting the OTP. Done. I got the Claude. Now what I have to do is simply come back to my anti-gravity. Let me quickly come back to anti-gravity. Yeah, I'm back in anti-gravity. Now here you will click on this option, Claude Code. Here in Claude Code, they will give you an they will give you, I already showed you earlier, right? They give you an option to sign in with your Claude account. You have to click on that. This link will open. You have to open the link and then come to Safari. And if I paste it here, this will show me this thing. Claude Code would like to connect to your Claude chat account. I'll authorize and it will get connected. Now I got a code. I have to again hide it. Just a second. There's too much of things. So let me quickly copy the code, authorization code, and then I will come to anti-gravity. Just a second. Yeah. Now they want me to paste my authorization code. So I'll simply paste it here, continue it. Now you guys can see my Claude Code is set it up. The previous window, just 3 seconds prior to this, you have seen there is 3 options. The first orange icon to connect a Claude account is the icon you have to click after buying your subscription. Now I purchased my subscription. I'm here. I don't have any sessions yet because I just purchased the session and just set it up all. So now I'll be also using it as a fresh user. Okay. Now that's all for today, I would say. Today we just wanted to connect Claude and everything. So there is nothing more for the day. Now let's talk about, okay, wait, let's also create a folder. Let's create a new folder with the name of 15 days Claude. I'm using it in this name. You can use your own name to make it sure that all the things related to Claude is stored here. Now click here and open it. Yes, I trust, and this will open. Okay. Now it will give you something like switch to agent manager, and I will be using code with agent. So command L I am going to use. Just a second. Yeah. So I got the codes here. Now I'll be using Claude Opus 4.6, and I can then use Claude Code here. I'll be sharing these videos in the next upcoming video. Today's main topic was what is anti-gravity, what is Claude, the installation of anti-gravity and Claude. We have successfully completed all those things. Now we'll be talking about which tool to use for which particular purpose. Okay. So I've created a Google Doc, very simple bullet points. So, I don't even have to explain all these things one by one. I'll be simply reading that doc for you. If you need that doc, you can maybe comment something and I can share it to you. Or maybe I'll pin it somewhere in the description or comments. Okay. If I have forgotten, make sure, you remind me. Okay. Chalo, let's open the document. Yes. This is the Google Doc which I have prepared. So I think this is readable for everyone. I'll zoom it a little if, let's say, if anyone is not able to read it properly. Let's do 150. Yeah, I think now it is much more easily readable for everyone. Sorry. Now you guys can see quick research with citation, perplexity, deep multi-research, ChatGPT, deep research, reading, reasoning, Claude, writing in your brand voice, Claude, quick polish, rewrite or grammatic mistakes and all, ChatGPT, image generation, Nano Banana, Gemini, AI video, Kling 3.0, AI video with cinematic and narrative shots, Higgsfield, AI video for ads and client deliverables, VO 3.1. Pretty much everything is covered here. Okay. This is almost 35 points are mentioned over here. For this is like a tool slack for coaches, consultants, solopreneurs, everyone. I try to cover all the domains. If I've forgotten anything, make sure you remind me in the comments. So I'll put which particular tool I am using for which particular purpose. Now, pretty much a conclusion note for everyone. In this whole video, we talked about Claude. Why Claude? I gave you the reason that it is the highest intelligent AI engine right now. What is anti-gravity? I told you it is a place where we will be using our codes and running the whole automation, and it is latest and it is much more agent friendly. We just have to quickly install and plug and play systems, not too much of technical things. Third thing is about which tool to use for which particular purpose, which I've already covered with this Google document. So yeah, pretty much I have completed everything. If you feel like there is still something which is pending, join the 15 days AI bootcamp, and there I'll be covering more. You will be getting chance to ask me questions directly in the Zoom call. This is more like a one to there's no one in front of me to speak questions right now, so it's better you come in the live course and we speak over there. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Let's connect tomorrow with day 6 video about content engine and all. Thank you. Bye.